Hello world, welcome to another episode of this channel, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how you can turn a boring screenshot into a cool looking picture like this one in just a few clicks. So let's start. Shall we? Alright, so you have to download a software called HiShoot2i. Now this app isn't available at Play Store. Rather, the best thing is it's completely open source and you can download it from its official repository. I have given the direct link in the description box. After installing, open the app and as you can see it's blank. Now click on this button to add a screenshot. Then add your screenshot and woohoo! Here is the cool... What? Wait a minute. It's still boring, isn't it? So to give this picture a valuable life, you have to click on this button and click on Template Manager. Now here you go. As you can see, I have a couple templates, but in your case, it will be empty. So to download the templates, you have to come to this official HiShoot2i template group on Telegram. In this group, developers and designers around the world are contributing every single day. Here you can find a lot of templates. Just download the one you like, install that as you install an APK, and then come back to this section again. Now you can see your templates over here. Click on the template once and it will be applied to your picture. Cool, huh? Let's try another one. So to save the picture in your gallery, click on this button. So as you can see, it's pretty high quality. Now the rest is yours. So that's it for this video. I'll be back soon. Till then, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification for future updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.